Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character "ho". I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's get started. Ho. Means back, behind or after. For example, 以后 以后 means later, after. Check this sentence. A few years later, they got married. A few years later, they got married. 几年后，他们结婚了。几年以后 or 几年后以后他们结婚 got married 了，结婚了 got married. A few years later, they got married. 几年以后，几年以后，他们结婚了。他们结婚了。They got married. Now let's write "ho" in cursive. Ho. Ho, back, after, 以后 after, later. A few years later, they got married. 几年以后，他们结婚了。Please comment any words or sentence with "ho". I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.